Please don't go. I'd rather have you staying. What is this game you're playing? Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to fight. Something at the finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love was so hard to find. Stay, stay, stay.
Good morning, guys. I hope you're doing well. It is my first morning in Bucharest, and to be honest, I felt a little bit nervous getting the day started. I'm already 2 hours up prepping the things that I will have to do today, and honestly, at first I was feeling a lot of intimidation because hashtag first world problems. It's been a while since I've discovered a city, a new city, I mean, without my phone. And I think we really forget how much we rely on our phones, whether it's like Google Maps, especially when you're traveling around, or just, Uber, or, knowing how to do things or say things, just be easily able to Google things. There's just so much convenience that comes from using your phone. And now I'm kind of retraining myself back to the old days when I would go exploring, places like India, or, even in Ukraine and Japan when I would go for months at a time. I never had a smartphone. Today I have 2 errands that I am starting my day with that are really important. So the first thing on that list is actually going to Gara de Nord, I think it's called, which is the main train station here in Bucharest, and I have to get a train ticket that is going to take me to Moldova on Friday, I believe, because my accommodation is already booked. And after that, I want to go to a local tourist office. The one that I kind of came across online that seemed really good is called Mr. Trip. And they do really good day tours outside of Bucharest. So I want to go see some of the famous castles, like Pili's Castle, I think it's called, and Brand's Castle. So they offer a 13-hour day of going to a whole bunch of different places for about $100, maybe $120, somewhere around there. This is pretty much going to be my saving grace today to get around the city. And there's actually a subway map in here, which is the main mode of transport I think I'll use. There's 2 different stations near me, both about a 5 to 10 minute walk away. So that is how I'm going to get around the city, because I heard the buses and the trams don't come as often and aren't just as good as the subway. So we'll see if I end up using those at some point on the trip, but for now it's going to be the subway. And yeah, guys, let's do this. First day in Bucharest, going old school traveling, no smartphone. Just going to see where the wind takes me. Really don't have a lot of things prepped, so wish me luck, guys. Right now I am in Old Town, or the old part of the city area. Obviously one of the most touristy sort of spots. You can definitely tell by all the big hotels and all the big name brands. But I asked the lady at Mr. Trip if she recommended any restaurants in the area, and she said there was one called Karukara, I think. I wrote it down. But she said it has really good traditional food and has a really good atmosphere, so I'm gonna try and hunt that down. What is this stunning building? Oh my god. Oh, it's a bank. Very nice bank. Good thing I stopped and paused to look to the left, because there is my restaurant. The only thing that I am worried about is if they have that many veggie options, because we are in Eastern Europe and they like their meat. So it is as we expected. Basically everything is meat, but there is one veggie stew, so I might get that. Alright guys, so I got the one veggie option on the menu for mains, which looks really good. It is the veggie stew with polenta, and then I got the house beer. We are still in the old town, and I just realized that actually the restaurant that I went to is actually super famous for being a beautiful beer hall, which obviously you guys saw it was, but I didn't know that it had so much history. So pretty cool that I got to go there. And yeah, now I'm gonna just take a little tour of the interior and check out some of these places.
Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to fight. Something at the finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love was so hard to find. Stay, stay, stay.
Guys, I think I'm actually coming to the end of my first day. It's about 5 o'clock right now, and I'm going to attempt to find a metro stop to take me back home, but I really have enjoyed today. It has been a very surprising sort of welcome, where I thought I would be having way more trouble getting around and having people understand me, but it's actually been the exact opposite. So anyways, I am actually going to have an early night and edit a video. My pickup is actually at 7:30 a.m. for all of the castles tomorrow, so I want to make sure I get a good sleep, plus the jet lag. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and there'll be plenty more to come. But other than that, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Keep being your own kind of beautiful, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.